there, love enthusiasts. If you're looking to elevate your connection, spice up your love life, and let's be real, drive her absolutely crazy in the best way possible, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best sex positions that'll leave her wanting more. These aren't just about physical pleasure. They're about creating unforgettable experiences for both of you. Ready to take notes? Let's dive in. Position 1, the butterfly. First on our list is the butterfly. This position is an absolute game changer if you're looking to maximize intimacy and pleasure. How it works? Have her lie on her back on the edge of the bed while you stand or kneel in front of her. You can hold her legs up or let them rest on your shoulders for deeper connection and stimulation. Why she'll love it? The angle allows for deeper penetration and more direct stimulation of sensitive spots. Plus, with you in control, it's a chance to showcase your passion and focus entirely on her pleasure. Pro tip, keep eye contact and add a few sweet whispers. The combination of physical and emotional connection will send her over the moon. Position 2, the cowgirl. Next up, we have the classic cowgirl. This position puts her in control, which is a huge win for many women. How it works? You lie back while she straddles you, facing forward. She controls the pace, rhythm, and depth, making it all about her preferences. Why she'll love it? It's empowering, gives her complete control, and allows her to find the perfect rhythm that works for her body. Plus, the face-to-face connection adds an intimate touch. Pro tip, use your hands to caress her waist, hips, or anywhere she loves being touched. It adds an extra layer of intimacy and shows you're fully engaged. Position 3, the standing ovation. Feeling adventurous? Let me introduce you to the standing ovation. This one's perfect for those spontaneous, passion-filled moments. How it works? Stand facing each other, with her legs wrapped around your waist. You'll need a sturdy surface for support, like a wall, to keep things safe and steady. Why she'll love it? It's intense, passionate, and a little daring. The physical closeness and full body contact make this position incredibly thrilling. Pro tip, use your arms to support her weight and ensure she's comfortable. Confidence and care go a long way in making this position unforgettable. Position 4, the spoon. Let's slow things down with the spoon. This is a go-to for romantic, lazy mornings or intimate evenings. How it works? Lie on your sides, facing the same direction, with you positioned behind her. It's relaxed, comfortable, and perfect for deeper connection. Why she'll love it? This position allows for gentle, intimate movements while keeping things close and cozy. It's less about acrobatics and more about emotional connection. Pro tip, use your free hand to explore her body gently. Caress her hair, trace her skin, or hold her hand. These small gestures make a big difference. Position 5, the bridge. Now, if you're ready to impress, the bridge is a fun and unique position that offers a whole new experience. How it works? She lies on her back, lifts her hips into a bridge position, and you kneel or stand in front of her. This creates a thrilling angle for both of you. Why she'll love it? The lifted position intensifies sensations and allows for deeper connection. Plus, it works wonders for targeting all the right spots. Pro tip, support her hips with your hands if needed, and maintain a steady rhythm. Communication is key to keeping things comfortable and enjoyable. Position 6, the cross-legged surprise. This next one, the cross-legged surprise, is all about closeness and connection. How it works? You sit cross-legged, and she sits on your lap, facing you, with her legs wrapped around your waist. It's intimate, sensual, and perfect for slow, passionate moments. Why she'll love it? The face-to-face positioning allows for intense eye contact, kisses, and deep emotional connection. It's perfect for those moments when you want to feel completely in sync. Pro tip, Match your breathing and movements for a more connected experience. It's all about being present in the moment. Position 7. The tabletop magic. Last but definitely not least, we have the tabletop magic. This one's perfect for bringing a little spontaneity into your love life. How it works: she sits on the edge of a sturdy table or counter, and you stand in front of her. It's versatile, exciting, and perfect for mixing things up. Why she'll love it. The elevated angle creates new sensations and makes it feel adventurous. It's a great way to break the routine and keep things fresh. Pro tip: make sure the surface is stable and comfortable. Adding a soft cushion or towel can help keep things cozy and safe. Now that you've got the positions down, let me share a few tips to make these moments truly unforgettable. Communication is key. Talk to her about what she enjoys and wants to try. Listening and being open to feedback shows you care about her pleasure. Set the mood. Create a romantic atmosphere with candles, soft music, or even a simple dim light. The little details make a big difference. Take your time. Don't rush. Focus on the journey, not just the destination. Building anticipation and taking it slow can make the experience even more thrilling. Be attentive. Pay attention to her reactions and adjust accordingly. Every woman is unique, so tuning into her needs is the ultimate secret to success. At the end of the day, it's not just about the positions. It's about connection, trust, and making her feel loved and appreciated. These 7 positions aren't just techniques. They're tools to create unforgettable moments together. So, which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building deeper connections and spicing up your love life. Until next time, stay passionate and stay connected.